Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining me for this 5-minute arm strength workout here, okay? So we are using some equipment. We are gonna be using some dumbbells, okay? But if you don't have any dumbbells, grab some heavy objects. That's okay, that works as well, okay? All right, we're gonna start with that quick warm up. Hands up towards your face, towards your shoulder. Press it on up, hands forward, okay? Nice and easy. Again, this is upper body strength today. Just a 5-minute, okay? So it's short. All right, but if you need a little bit extra, go ahead and just rewatch the video. All right, you can repeat as many times as you need to. Nice and easy. Bring it on down. Hands forward. Nice big circles right here. Okay, so we're just warming up the shoulders here. Okay, we're gonna start with some biceps. Bicep curls, we're doing each move 1 minute long. All right, so we only got 4 moves today, okay? So it's gonna be quick. All right, so I want you to work as much as you need to. Get that strength in. All right, let's go and get started. Grab your dumbbells. You're starting with some basic curls. Palms facing forward, elbows right there by your side. Lift it on up, okay? Core is engaged, back is nice and tall. Nice and easy. Exhale, you bring it up. Inhale, you come down. Okay, so from the side view, it's just nice and easy, okay? My back is tall, core is working, elbows stay down. Lifting that weight all the way up to the shoulders. All right, again, the feet, they're about shoulder width apart. Nice and flat, nice and balanced. Okay. 20 more seconds. All right. Keep it breathing. Exhale, you come up. Inhale, you come down. 15 seconds left. Then we're moving on to some shoulder presses here, okay? Nice and easy and controlled, okay? Again, weightlifting is all about that form here. Don't use any of that momentum. All right, here we go. Second move, elbows 90. Press it on up. Great job, everybody. Keep it going. Elbows are 90, okay? We're not dropping it too low. I'm not dropping it down towards my ribs here. Want it right there in line with the shoulders. Pressing up and back. Again, watch that back, okay? I don't want you to round it, okay? We want to keep it nice and tall. Keep it engaged. Keep that core engaged. 30 more seconds. Great job, everybody. Again, working shoulders here. Third move, hammer curls. Okay, so going back down to those biceps. Keep it going, keep it pressing. 15 more seconds. Okay, elbows right there in line with the shoulders, okay? 5 more. All right, go ahead and bring it on down. Third move here, hammer curls. Palms are towards each other, same basic move as those bicep curls. All right, except the palms are towards each other. These are called hammer curls once again. Elbows are right there by your ribs, same concept, just the palms are towards each other. Feet shoulder width, nice and balanced. Get that weight up to the shoulders, all the way down. 30 more seconds. Great job, everybody. Almost there. Nice and controlled. Exhale, you come on up. Inhale, you come down. Okay, we're not going too fast. We don't want to use any momentum here. Want to make sure we focus on those biceps. Ten more seconds, everybody. 10 more. Final move. You guys got this. Keep it going. All right, go ahead and put 1 weight down or 2 weights if you're feeling strong today. All right, we're gonna bring that weight right here at the center. Gonna hold both ends. You're gonna bring it up, press. Okay, so combining some bicep moves into a press. Nice and easy. All right, so again, if you have 2 weights, you're feeling strong, you can hold them right here together. Bring it in, press it up. All right. Okay, but again, it's all about that form. Okay, so if you need it, no worries, drop it to 1 weight. Nice and controlled. 20 more seconds. Breathe out, inhale as you come down. Again, control each move as its own. Bringing that bicep curl once again. Another press, come back down and down. Great job, everybody. 5 more seconds. And time. Nice job. Great work today. Go ahead and give yourselves a hand. Good job, everybody.